Hi everyone, welcome back again to the channel. So today I will be just doing some practice on some basic Python commands and code. Uh, so let's jump into it. Let's first open the terminal. It is terminal. Now, in the previous video, I created uh, a virtual environment. First, let's get inside our directory. Python. Now, if I type ls list directory, here I can see data. It is an environment which is created. Now, to activate the environment, we'll just source data bin activate. Now, environment is activated. Inside it, we have all our system installed. Basically, Python 3 version. Then pip list. So it has all the packages also installed. So let's get going. I will use Jupyter Notebook. So for that, let me create a Jupyter file. To create a Jupyter file, I will just need, I think let's try to do it directly. Code. Let's type data dot ipynb. Does it open? Let's see whether it opens the code or not. Yes, it opened. So I can create it directly. This I didn't know. So let's open the code. Writing our first Python code, that mostly it is print hello world. So if I type it, and now I need to select the kernel. Since I'm using data, so I'll use this one, this environment. Now when I type print, it's asking IPY kernel. Okay, for this one it needs to install IPY kernel. Okay, for different environment I need to first create an IPY kernel, which I discussed in the episode 1. So it says a syntax error. Oh, I just omitted this quotation. So now type it print hello world. Now the best part is of Jupyter is that I can execute different blocks of code instead of just in the plain canvas. Now I can write again. If I want to find a calculation 5 plus 5, I'll just, it is 10. It can be used as a calculator also easily. And another one, there is one important aspect. For example, if I am writing a code like let me assign a variable. As I know, variable is basically something that stores values. Remember, a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. Now I want to print the multiplication. I guess I will try print a star b. Got it? Now what will it do? Multiply. So to make anyone understand this part, we'll write comments. I'll write code to multiply two variables. The two variables are a and b. So if I print it, will 200. So this is a basic part of it, of writing some codes. There are a lot of other things which I have basically understood the basic aspects of Python. So I will try and practice those things to get along with the latter portion. Now this is one. Suppose another code. Let me write the beginning is there. So if I want to merge two strings, can I do it? That's right. A is equal to data b is equal to Analyst. Now I want to merge them. Let's try. If I type print a plus plus b, let's see what will be the output. Data analysis. Now to give them space, I will just need, I guess, double quotation. I don't think this one will work, but I guess this might work. Syntax for us, if we got a comma, that I was asking, I think the comma will be here. Here, data analysis. This is about the basic programming. In the latter videos, in the practice session, I will try and solve basic programming, practice basic programming, and to the other part also of the data analysis. I hope you understood this part. And one more last thing I would say is that let's go down to the terminal first. Now here, if I type Python, we are inside the Python shell in the terminal. Now if I type 5 plus 5 will print 10. We can do it directly here also. If I type print, that is hi everyone, double quote, print. So we can do it here, but since the restriction of it is that there are a lot of different codes and advancement in Python, so it's better to do in a proper notebook or interpreter. That's where VS Code and Jupyter comes in. So in next video I'll try to solve more questions. I hope you come along with me and learn, and if anything arises and if I'm getting stuck, so feel free to note down in the comments. Thanks for watching.